Hey, let me ask you a question. Are you tired of juggling a dozen different tools just to run your marketing? Because I've been there, piecing together landing pages with one app, scrambling for social media content on another, jumping into yet another platform for emails, and don't even get me started on making promo videos. But what if you could do of that from one dashboard? No more bouncing between tabs, no more lost logins or scattered data. I'm talking about an all-in-one AI tool called MarketingBlocks, and it's about to change the way you market online. Picture this, you log in and instantly you have everything you need to build, market, and sell online. Need a landing page? MarketingBlocks gives you one, preloaded with high-converting content tailored to your business. Want 3 months of social media content? Done. It even schedules posts for you, auto-replies to comments, and DMs potential leads for you while you sleep. And the magic doesn't stop there. Lead magnets like ebooks, checklists, and even case studies, the AI writes them for you with just a prompt. You need promo videos? It creates stunning visuals and engaging scripts in minutes. Logos, business cards, banners, ad graphics, just pick a style and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Emails for cold outreach, onboarding, follow-ups, promos, yeah, all ready to go, tailored to your audience in seconds. What about paid ads? MarketingBlocks helps with strategy, precise targeting, and ad creative. No more guesswork, just results. Need marketing copy for your website, sales page, e-commerce store, or blog? You guessed it, the AI generates it, optimized to convert. But it gets even crazier. You're running a business, so you need plans, pitches, PR, even business strategies. Yep, all AI generated. Now here's something wild. MarketingBlocks can actually clone your voice for voiceovers, transcribe your videos for repurposing, and handle all your content creation at scale. And the real kicker? Over 100 AI employees are working for you around the clock, handling customer support, booking appointments, sales, training, you name it. Courses, memberships, payment solutions, automations, forms, surveys, every piece of the puzzle is right there in one dashboard. Look, this isn't just about saving time, it's about leveling up your marketing with tools that talk to each other, powered by next-level AI. Marketers, entrepreneurs, freelancers, if you want to build, market, and sell anything online, this is the toolkit you've been waiting for. So if you're ready to take your marketing from scattered to streamlined, hit the link below and try MarketingBlocks for free. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.